So unfortunately, I lost my channel. So some of the videos I've done are gone with it. And I have found two that I've done. So I posted the first one. Now I'm going to repost the second one. It's just going to be out of place. But I have done, if you want to get the increase off your credit, then you have to lock your secondary credit bureaus, which is CoreLogic, ARS, LexisNexis, SafeStream, which they are together with LexisNexis. And this is not going to be in order. This is, I believe it's an ARS. So here's the video of me doing that. So I'm just going to repost it and then go from there. And I will be doing the rest of them again. So yeah, it sucks, but gotta do what you gotta do. Let's get straight to the video so that way you can move on about your day. This is how to place a security freeze on your ARS, which is your one of your secondary credit bureau. I've done Invoice, CoreLogic. I don't think I've done CoreLogic, but LexisNexis, SafeStream, which is together in Invoice, and then this is gonna be ARS. So just go to Google and type in ARS freeze account, and then you can just click on here. And then it will bring you to this page. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory. And you are a consumer and you do agree by submitting this request for a security freeze. You have read the term of use. You can click on that and read it if you like, and then just click continue and just fill out your information. Bob Smith. Well, first name right here and the last name. I hope it lets me click on the next thing by just putting this type of information. So 12 Main Street, city, Houston, state, Texas. Let me select Texas. Zip code 77477 or 77031. Phone number 123. Or input 555 555 5555. And then of course email right here, try@gmail.com. And then you click continue. Oh, social security, of course. It's probably gonna give me some type of error. All right, so I'll just put mine and then skip this part. So yeah, it wasn't gonna let me skip it. So boom, and then right here says please fill out the required field below, and then this is the required date. And you can schedule the when to place the freeze. So if you want to set it in a future date, then you can definitely do so. But we want to do it today, so let's choose today's date. And then over here, if you only want to freeze it for a month or so, or for just a couple of days, then you can go ahead and choose that. But we're just gonna put a freeze on it and then just lift it whenever we want to. Once you do the freezing, they'll send you a pin, and that's how you'll be able to get that unfreeze. So let's just click on here after you click today. And right here it says, make sure that each copy is let me see, what does that say? Make sure that each copy is legible and displays your name and current mailing address. So if you use your driver license and have your current address and everything, then you can just go ahead and upload your driver license. But if not, then you have to, if your driver license have a different address, you have to upload that, and then you have to put, I think, like a utility bill or something on your mail with your current address that comes in the mail. And I think it have to be recent. So yeah, go ahead and select attach. And then once you attach something on here and you click on continue right here, and then it's just gonna let you review, and then you're gonna complete it. I think you're gonna select where it says I'm not a robot, and then continue. And then they're gonna send you a mail with the pin. And that's how you make sure you save that pin, and then that's how you'll be able to unfreeze it. And whenever, like, if let's say if you're trying to apply for credit cards or whatever it is, then you have to unfreeze it. So yeah, pretty simple. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.